Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, we are doing a designer DIY with Tali. If you've been watching my channel from the beginning, I have done a couple of these on my series. I have a whole playlist to them and I will put it here somewhere on the screen, and make sure to go watch this if you haven't already. Basically, in my designer DIY series, I make things that look expensive and but for a budget. So in today's designer DIY, we are going to be making my Nutcracker pink. I had this idea to make all my Nutcrackers pink because they were very traditional and they didn't really match like my color scheme, and so I was like, I want a pink Nutcracker. So this is the finished product. This is the complete Nutcracker. I think he turned out really good. I painted him all pink. In this video, of course, I'm going to explain what I did, but in a nutshell, I paint stripped him and then I pretty much just repainted him pink all by myself. I think he is so cute and he looked so handsome, and I just love the pink. I think this was such a fun DIY to do, and it was so nice to just kind of sit and paint. I haven't been able to do that in a while and I really enjoyed it. If you guys like today's design DIY, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we are so close to 100 subscribers, and it would mean the world to me if we could hit that by the end of this year. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below, and let's get into this designer DIY. So guys, this is like a different angle because I'm on my iPhone, because I used my camera, I brought it outside, and it is so bright outside today that literally nothing would show up in the sun. But right now I'm about to strip the Nutcracker, so pretty much I'm gonna strip all this color here. I'm not too worried about the golds and stuff because I can always retouch it, but I want to get like the leaves off and the red off. And that's really only the part I'm doing. All this stuff like the hat and the shoes, I might strip this red though, but haven't decided yet. But anyways, so what I have here is I have just premium stripper. I have a little Chipotle bowl to pour the stripper in. I have gloves here, also peep the color, what a position's green, a mask to wear, and then this is just another little cloth I have, and then I bought also this stripper brush. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to strip the paint off this little guy. So as you guys see, this right here is the paint stripper, and I applied it to the base of the Nutcracker. I wanted to start somewhere small, so I applied the base here, and we're just gonna let it work its magic. All right guys, I'm outside and I look like a mess. My nails are a mess. Oh my god, covering up the camera. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the process of stripping the Nutcracker, and let me tell you, it is not a pretty sight, so just fair warning, fair warning. All right guys, here's the Nutcracker. So I first started, as you saw, I was stripping the base, but the base wasn't really coming off, so I decided to focus on what like I really needed more, which was the actual like body. And it's on his last strip right now. As you can see, it's kind of like shiny, but all the green's pretty much gone. I know it looks kind of crazy, but everything's going to be repainted and none of this is going to show, so it looks very messy right now. But again, like I said, it's getting its last strip, so some more paint is going to come off, and then not today, but in a couple of days we're gonna actually start painting it. But all this, like, even though it got in the gold and like the mouth and everything, we're gonna repaint it all, so it doesn't really matter. All right guys, here he is fully stripped. Now I know he looks crazy, but he is dry now, or I'm gonna let him dry. But I just did that final strip, and his arms actually are completely gone pretty much for the most part. This part not so much, but I'm hoping the paint will, we can work with the paint and everything will be okay. But here he is. Guys, look, I got on the pink. Ah! I'll fix it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that designer DIY. Again, this is the finished product. I think he turned out so good. He looks so cute. Speaking of, if you have, in the comments below, suggest a name for him. I have yet to come up with a name for him, and we can name him together. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when I post. It'd mean the world to me if we get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know you guys can do it. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias, here on the screen, down in the description below. And I hope you all have an amazing holiday time, holiday season. You all have a wonderful day.